Ag PhD full episodes and more are now available on Acres TV, the newest ag platform connecting you to fields of information. Look for us on watchacrestv.com.
On January 13th, we invite you to attend the free Ag PhD Naturals Workshop. There have been so many questions we've gotten here over the last few years about biological and natural products. We want to answer most all of those questions at this upcoming free event we've got right on our farm near Baltic, South Dakota.
There are so many products that fall into this naturals category in agriculture today that it's tough to sort through all that information and all these product claims.
Yep, it really is. So for us here at Ag PhD, we farm, but we also have a number of research people that work for us, and we do research in several different states. So we want to show you some of the data that we've compiled here over the last few years. The big thing is almost every company out there is selling a biological product or mini biological products, and it's really hard to sort through all that stuff. So that's the reason why we do the research that we do, and we just want to share some of our results and some of the things we've learned over the years with you at this event.
Well, it is really interesting. There are a lot of really good products in this category. It's just there's a lot of noise here too. So we'll talk about the return on investment possibilities with certain products that we've seen good data on for a number of years, and other new ones. We'll discuss, hey, here's where this might work a little better for you.
Yep, and the thing is, there are just so many product categories here. It's everything from plant growth hormones. We've got biofungicides, biopesticides in general. I mean, there are a lot of different categories. It does get confusing, and so this is the reason why we want to talk about all these things and just kind of explain, okay, what are the best timings for this type of product? How could this work? Where does this fit? And most importantly, where does this not fit?
Well, the best thing is our Ag PhD Naturals Workshop is absolutely free. You can find all the details and pre-register at agphd.com.
Well, one of the things you'll find when you're at agphd.com is information on weeds like our Weed of the Week. Can you identify this week's weed?